Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you quickly how to access the Google Meet for your virtual classroom with your teachers. This is a new process. It's different than what many of you did last spring. It's a lot easier, so I'll show you how. You'll want to enter the Google Classroom for that class period. And when you go into the Google Classroom, on the banner, you're going to see where it says Meet link. Now, next to this Meet link, there's an eyeball with a line over it right now. That's because I have it turned off so students cannot see it. This link will only be visible to you as a student when your teacher has it turned on for your virtual classroom. They will turn it off at the end of your Google Classroom. This is specific to Google Meet though. If you have a teacher who's going to use Zoom, it's a different process. They'll post a link in the stream for you and you'll want to click on that link. So to enter the Google Meet, you click on the link and you can see it's launching us into Google Meet. Hi. And we're not going to click join now right away. The reason why is that you have your mic turned on. And if you enter a Google Meet with your mic turned on and your 30 plus classmates also have their mics turned on, there's going to be way too much noise to start class. So we're going to turn that mic off, but we're going to leave the camera on. This is a virtual meeting, it's a virtual class, and we need to see faces. So please leave that camera on. Once your mic is turned off, you can go and you can click join now and you'll be ready to join your class.